Checkpoint Quantum Spark Next Generation Firewalls. This security gateway is specially designed for small and medium-sized businesses. Actually, the quantum next generation firewalls, best in class threat protection, and we can easily deploy and manage these firewalls. So we call these quantum spark appliances as a SMB firewall of Checkpoint. So let's talk about a bit of Checkpoint, their history, and how they introduced the first firewall. So Checkpoint Software Technologies was established in Ramat Gan, one of the city of Israel, in 1993 by Mr. Gil Shev. So he was one of the CEO of Checkpoint. So as per 2021, the Checkpoint has more than 6,000 employees in the worldwide. So they have headquarters in Tel Aviv in the Israel and San Carlos in the California. So Checkpoint, one of the pioneers to introduce the first stateful inspection firewall technology. So the first product was the Firewall One. That was the first stateful inspection firewall technology. Still, most of the firewall vendors using these stateful firewalls as their core of firewall technology. So if we talk about the today, the Checkpoint is one of the largest and one of the best in class security vendor in the world, and they have more than comprehensive cutting edge cybersecurity technologies available. So currently more than 100,000 organizations are using these Checkpoint security solutions of all sizes. That means small to medium and large enterprises are using these Checkpoint solutions. So there are millions of users around the world, around the globe is currently using the Checkpoint. So if we talk about the Checkpoint security solutions, they have mainly three categories. So one is quantum. Quantum is for the network security. So you can protect your enterprise with quantum network security. Especially, the cyber threats are becoming harder to detect. Right? There are more evasive and evolving advanced threats available in the world right now. So why Checkpoint quantum network security? Because we are whether you are in on-premise or cloud, whether you are in SMB customer or enterprise customer, simply you can secure without any without impacting any network performance. Quantum and their network security appliances are available to protect your network. Okay, so they have firewalls, like I'd say before, SMB firewalls, and also enterprise grade firewalls available for all of your requirement. So if you talk about the cloud guard, that is solutions to protect your cloud assets. If you talk about the cloud assets, whether the multi-cloud, that's mean whether you are in the AWS, Azure, or Google. So you are if you have the cloud assets, you can protect these cloud assets using the cloud guard. So especially if you talk about the cloud network threat prevention, web application and API security, container security, and serverless protection also they are in the cloud guard. So if we talk about the Harmony is endpoint security mainly. If we talk about the endpoint security of Checkpoint, so Harmony is the product portfolio for that. Okay, so especially endpoint security and email security, mobile security, those solutions available under this Harmony. So simply quantum for the network security, cloud guard for the cloud security, Harmony for the endpoint and the email and the mobile security. That's it. And so if we talk about Checkpoint Quantum Spark appliances, like I said before, these are the best in class firewall for SMB market. That means small and medium sized businesses. So it will provide best in threat protection, and we can easily deploy these firewalls and easily manage using single console. There are locally managed option available. Also we can manage through the cloud. Also using the Checkpoint management, we can use for the management of this quantum spark appliances. And actually this is all-in-one solutions for SMB gateway solutions. So if you have 1 to 500 employees, So we can protect your network using the quantum spark security gateways. Especially there are multiple models available for this quantum spark family. So I will talk about more especially of these models, what are the capabilities and how these differences between these models and what are the features available in the next few videos. Currently, so they have the 1500 series, 1600 and 1800 series for quantum spark family. So if we talk about this Gaia OS, all of somehow know this Gaia is the checkpoint next generation operation system which is running on the network security appliances. So in Greek mythology, the Gaia, that's mean Gaia, meaning of this Gaia is mother of all. So which represent the closely integrated parts to form one efficient system. Okay, so actually the Gaia OS is support the checkpoint blades. So there are software blades available for checkpoint for the as a subscriptions to protect your network. So I'll talk about more deeply in the licensing video about these checkpoint blades. Actually these SMB firewalls are running embedded version of Gaia operating system. We call this as a embedded Gaia. That is the one of the lightweight OS of checkpoint which is running on this quantum spark security gateways. So if we talk about this the Gaia embedded, so they have that trans SMB checkpoint firewalls at its combination of U-boot match VisiBox and also Lua SQLite databases. There are three databases actually: U-boot, VisiBox, and Lua SQLite, which is more lightweight version of the Gaia. Okay, and if you talk about the third-party reviews, so Checkpoint is the one of the pioneer and one of the leader of this 2020 Gartner. So Gartner is one of the third-party reviewing system. So under this network firewalls, Magic Quadrant. So they are yearly they will release this Magic Quadrant for network firewalls. So as per that report, you'll see that the Checkpoint is one of the leading leaders of these enterprise firewalls. So if you talk about Checkpoint, so they are continuously 23rd time they have marking this in the leaders quadrant of this Gartner third-party review system. So if you talk about the Forrester is another third party reviewing company. So as per their report, that's mean on 2021 Forrester Wave Enterprise Firewalls Q4 report. So Checkpoint representing the leader. You can see they are the one of the leaders of the enterprise firewalls in quarter 4 2022. So that's how where Checkpoint is belongs to. So Checkpoint is one of the core one of the leaders of the firewall industry as per now. More than 30 years ago they have introduced this firewall. So after these 30 years they have introduced more innovative features their firewall solutions. Actually they are the one of the leading vendor of firewall. So that's it. Hope you clear about this video. Thank you very much.